Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy it, share it. Go to my Instagram, click on the link, and purchase this item. It's a very good item. The last purchase I did on this one was on January 27, 23. That's the only one I purchased because I only need one. On my YouTube, click on the description for the link or where to find it, and I'll assure you you're gonna make a very good purchase with this. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm a single dad, so the size of the what was it, the air fryer is a 6 gallons or something like that. Let me see. Let me go back and look at it. Okay, I'll show you. The size is 6 quarts, 6.9 quarts, 6.5 liter, 700 watts. All right, and that's the price. That's where when I purchased it the last time, a few months ago. I'm like I was gonna say, I was saying, click on my bio and on Instagram and on TikTok, on Facebook, and go and purchase it. And you're gonna get a very good purchase. It's the air fryer. That's the name of it. This is where I got it. Like I was saying, I'm a single dad, and I've been cooking for me and my daughter, myself. I don't know how to cook on top of the stove. So the stove is right there as you see. There's the stove right there. So I put stuff on top of it only because you know, I cook on here, or lately I've been cooking on this. But this is very nice. You could cook a lot of foods in 20 minutes, 25 minutes. The most might be 35 minutes. So I just watched it. I watched it. That's why it looks like that a little bit. So yes, yeah. The link to purchase this. Go to my link and see my video and watch it and go. The link is on my bio, and share it, enjoy it. On my bio on Instagram and on TikTok, and on my YouTube channel in the description is the link also. So this is what it does. You put the food inside there, and then you just push it in. You push it in right there. You push it in like that, and then you turn it on. This is the temperature. You could go 390, 400, or lower it down. Or lower down like that. You see that? The lowest it goes, I think it's 180, but I usually have it between 370 and 400. It was 400 before, so but I'm gonna put it back on 370. I'm gonna there 370, and then the time, if you wanna the time, you got 15 minutes. It's set up for 15 minutes right now, but it could go up to 30 minutes right here. You see, so you take 30 minutes if you want to go to 15 to bring it out, and then flip the food over, stir over, and then stuff like that. But I just leave it on 15, you know, just to make sure it shuts off at the right time where I need to stir my food. So and then I just click power, click the power right here to turn it on, and right now I shut it off because I got no food there, so I shut it off. Right now, so I shut it off, but it will show completely. Will take its time to shut off. When it beeps, that means it's shut off. It's completely off. Right there. Watch. See? It shut off. It shut off. Now if I'm gonna set it, I pretend that I put food in right now, and I set it up ready, It's to 350. I'm gonna mess around with 380 just to pretend that I'm cooking. Now I'm gonna look. Oh, okay, 15. I'll leave it on 15 again, and then I press the power button. That means it's on. That means it's working now. That means that means your food is cooking if you have food in it. Of course, I got no food inside there, but yeah, your food be cooking already right there. And all you need to do is, you see, it says 15 minutes, and then 1 more minute pass. It keep flashing, and it'll give you 1 minute, the time that you have there, and then it keeps flashing. It keeps showing you every single minute that goes down, that decreases. The minutes decrease. That means that's what you have. That's the time left that you have for it to cook, or for you to flip it over to flip your food over and stir it to steer your food, and then that's how it goes. You could make all kinds of food. You can make fried food. You can make, like I do chicken wings over here. I make chicken wings in 26 minutes, and they come out very delicious. They come out very, very good. The recipe for chicken wings. Oh, I mean, look at that. That's 14 minutes. You see, I just wanted to show you when it changes, but I'm gonna shut it off now. So I shut it off, and it shut off. Right? Let me read it. I got my recipe for chicken wings. It shut off. Watch and see. You're gonna hear the beeping in couple. There we go. Couple seconds. You see that? There we go. It shut off now. So now we come back over here. That's my recipe for chicken wings right there. So you get half teaspoon of salt. A half teaspoon of black pepper, half spoon of cayenne pepper. I don't put the cayenne pepper because it's very hot. I just avoid that one. I put 2 teaspoons of garlic, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1/4 spoon of thyme. Mix everything and put it in an air fryer, and put your air fryer for fryer for at 40 degrees. For 18 minutes, 40 degrees for 18 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever is that, and then it comes right out. But I do it at 370. I do it at 370 for 26 minutes. And this is what I cooked yesterday, because it's only my daughter and me. So I got this. This is some it's food. So I put it there for now. This is what I did yesterday. So we got leftovers. These are some chicken wings right there. Chicken wings right there. Yummy chicken wings. Leftovers. I'm gonna warm them up later on, and then we have some chicken wings to eat. So don't forget to go to my bio on Instagram and click on the link and click on the links, okay? And don't forget to go to my prescription to my description in YouTube and click on my links, as well as TikTok on my bio, and click on my link. And I assure you, like I was saying, because I'm a single dad, and it's easy for me to cook like that for my daughter, and I don't have to struggle with the stove, because I don't know how to time a stove to cook on top of the stove. So I only use the pressure cooker right here, which I use it a lot. And just since January, I got this air fryer. I've been cooking this since my daughter was a baby. My daughter's almost 15 now, but this is how we eat. And of course we use all the ingredients. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I get recipes to make foods, to make foods in the pressure cooker, and also now that we have the air fryer, to make foods in the air fryer. So here I show you again. This is what it looks like. This is the kind of foods that you can make. One whole chicken. Look at all of that. I already did the fries. I did the meat. Some meat. I have not done this. I did this meat. I did couple meats already. Chicken. I've done chicken. It's very reliable. So okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share it, give it likes. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and I appreciate it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.